Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I'm super excited to show you guys my new Louis Vuitton bag that I just got in my trip to New York. But without further ado, let's jump right into it, girl. So here is the bag. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to show you guys this bag. Isn't it wrapped beautifully, guys? Oh my god, this has to be some of the most beautiful wrapping I've seen in a long time. And I am really good at wrapping gifts myself, but this is a really good bow. But let's jump right into the bag. Let's open the bag. So beautiful. Okay. Alrighty. This box is really heavy. Okay. So this is my bag. Oh my gosh. Isn't it totes adorbs? Like, wow. I love this bag. Okay, enough about me loving the bag. Okay, so this is the Grenelle PM. It is in Rose Ballerine. That is the color. And it has this little LV clasp here, which I love, in pink. And some of the metal parts are silver here, and then these are silver too as well. It is orange, like a fiery orange color inside. I really love that because it was completely different from all of the other bags that I've seen. Like, most of them are like red inside, and then some of them are pink. Like, all the other Louis Vuitton bags that I personally have are red inside. It does have this strap that you can put on here. Honestly, as you probably seen in my other videos for the Kate Spade haul that I did, I'm not really big on wearing these straps. However, I probably might indulge in wearing the strap because I really love this bag. But yeah, it has like a little zip part in here too as well. And then just, you know, the typical Louis Vuitton verification card with the serial number, all of that jazz. But yeah, guys, this bag does retail for $26.40. In New York, their taxes are only, I think it was 8.25. Chicago is 10.25. So we are really, with the taxes would have been way more expensive if I would have bought the bag here rather than buying the bag there. But yeah, guys, this is my new bag. I really love this bag. I hope you guys love the bag too as well. And I definitely will be wearing this with some pictures on Instagram soon. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching my quick video today on just kind of reviewing my bag and kind of showing you guys what I purchased while I was in New York. I'm super excited to wear this bag, and if you guys have any type of tips on what you think I should do like with my bag, I'm definitely gonna put some really cute stuff inside of here. So I'm probably gonna do what's in my bag probably next week, just so you guys can kind of see what I'll put in here and how I'll organize it. But yeah, without further ado, guys, I'm definitely about to sign off for today. Thank you again for tuning into my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted every single time that I post. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram so that you can see what I'm doing on an everyday basis. Other than that, guys, it was great seeing you again. Bye.
Try too hard, nothing's ever enough.